All right, guys, so in this example, we want to look at an equation that has no solution. We want to solve it like normal and then kind of see the weird stuff that happens, okay? So I'm going to put my secret ones here, and then we're going to start by distributing because we have parentheses. So 2 times 1 is 2, and there's an x. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. And I can bring my positive 3 down. And we continue. 1/2 times 4, I'll use my calculator. So 1 over 2 times 4 is 2. So we have 2, there's an x. Then 1 over 2 times 12 is 6. So positive 6. Okay. So we've distributed. We now want to see if we can combine like terms. So I look on my left-hand side, there's a 2x. And then there's a negative 12, which is a constant, and a positive 3, which is also a constant. The 2x does not combine with anything, so I bring it down. And the negative 12 and positive 3 can combine. So I have negative 12 plus 3, and that's equal to negative 9. On the right-hand side, we have a variable and a constant. Those do not combine, so I just bring down them separately. Bring them down separately. Okay, so we've combined like terms. All that's left is to see are there variables on both sides. We have a 2x and a 2x here. So there are, and we want to pick on the little guy like usual, but you can notice that 2x is exactly the same as 2x. So really, they're the same size. So what happens when we try to pick on one of them, we can minus 2x, because that's the opposite sign. Something funny happens where both of our x's cancel out, and we're left with this equation statement, negative 9 is equal to 6. Now, what the heck, right? Negative 9 is not equal to 6, so we have something weird happening. I mean, I can recheck my math, but I'm pretty positive I did everything correct. Whenever this happens where you have a step where both your variables cancel out, or you have the left-hand side has the exact same variables as the right-hand side, if you keep solving this out and you get an untrue statement or something that does not make any sense, we're going to end up saying this equation has no solution. And that's our answer. All that means is that no matter what value of x we put in here, this equation will always be false. And we kind of went over what that looked like at the beginning of class. That just means that if I look at the left-hand side and the right-hand side, and I graphed each of these, they would never touch, right? There's no x value anywhere where these two graphs touch.